I don't know about you, but I'm having train show withdrawals. Hi, I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And it's been a long time since I've been to a train show. I think it was in February. So how long has that been? March, April, May, June, July, August. This is the end of August. And on this Saturday, there's a train show in Pinellas Park, right here at Lopez Hall, 7177 58th Street, North Pinellas Park. And that is not too far from Zitnik's train in Pinellas Park. So we're going to go there. It's about a 3-hour drive for us. That's a long way to go. And then we got to go over that long Skyway Bridge over the Tampa Bay. So I know W will be over there. She's right over here. She's going to be over there with a camera all the way up the bridge and all the way down the other end of the bridge, because she does not like riding on those bridges. But anyway, we're going up there this Saturday. So although Google says it's almost 3 hours, we'll probably be taking longer than 3 hours to get up there into Pinellas Park, because we got to take some bathroom breaks. You know, us old farts got to take those bathroom breaks. But this will be a good train show, because it's going to be the only one that we're going to be able to go to for I don't know how many more months, because there's nothing else scheduled in the area. I mean, Regal Railways has another one a month after that and a month after that, but those are a little bit even a little bit further. One's in Brookville, Florida, and the other one in November is back in Pinellas Park. So that is Thanksgiving weekend. So I don't know about that. My daughter might be coming down for that weekend, so we might not be able to go to that one. But anyway, how do you feel about not going to train shows? How do you feel? Is you having withdrawals? What are you doing about it? How do you fill that void? I don't know. It's been a hard time for me not going to train shows. And well, we were looking forward to the one in the Villages, but they ended up canceling that. And we didn't know about the one that they had earlier in Brookville, but that would have been too far anyway, because Regal Railway had that one also. But my goodness, put some comments down there and let me know when there is going to be a train show in your area, and we'll put that up on the live stream on Monday when we have a special guest. And you already know who the special guest is, because Heath messed up the one on last Monday when John was trying to get on. So Schuylkill River Valley's coming on this Monday evening at 8 p.m. And we changed the password, Heath, so you can't get and mess it up this time. So, okay, so put some comments down below about where your train shows are in the coming months, and we'll put it up on Monday night live stream. And any other information that you would like to share for the Monday night live stream. And don't forget, put your comments in there about how you feel about not going to train shows, and how did you fill that void? Did you go crazy, or did you just work on some projects on your railroad, or what did you do there? Let us know, and we'll put that up in there. So on Monday night, August, what day is it? August 31st. That's the last day of August at 8 p.m. And don't forget to watch, I don't know what all these things are called now, but John Dilly's going to be on the 30th. I thought the thing wasn't going to start until the 6th, but now it's starting on the 30th. So John Dilly's going to be taking Ray Bobel's place on, was it Sidetrack Sunday? Okay, so Sidetrack Sunday with John Dilly at 8 o'clock. And then on Monday, 7 p.m. is going to be Tyadagathon Valley Railroad Coal Company, Nate. We'll just say Nate. Okay, and then 8 o'clock is me. Okay, and then we'll worry about Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday and Saturday and Sunday after that. I'll be taking some video while I'm at Lopez Hall, so I'll have a video coming out on that next week. But depending on the strength of the signal there, I may do a live stream while we are there on Saturday. So I don't know what time we're going to get there, because, we mosey on up there, and, we don't wake up that early either. So we had to wake up 6 o'clock this morning to take Sadie to the vet. But I don't know if we could do that 2 days in a row. But I'll try to do a short live stream from there so you can see what it's all about. And I'm sure that Joe, he said that he'll have lines up showing which direction to go through the aisles. So we'll try to do that, and we'll have to wear a mask. So you might not be able to recognize anybody if they are up there. I don't know. We'll see. So until the next time, we'll see you. I don't know about you, but I'm having train show withdrawals. Oh, shit. That didn't work. Okay.